If you're selling on Whatnot and you're not starting your auctions at $1, honestly, you're leaving money on the table, and I'm going to show you exactly why. Right here is one of my actual shows, and as you can see, I've got everything laid out and ready to go before I go live. I separate my cards, I know what I'm running, I'm prepared for the flow of the stream. This part alone matters more than what people think, especially if you're not organized. If you're not organized, your streams are going to be slow, you're going to leave bids, your bids won't go up probably. The biggest thing people are scared of when starting at $1 is they think they're going to run a $50 card and it's going to sell for 10 or 15 bucks. That's not really how it works. If you have the right setup, the right energy in your stream, and you've got the right people coming in, you're going to have, trust me, you're going to make, of course, what that card is selling for at market, if not better in some cases. When you start at $1, you remove all hesitation from buyers. Anyone can jump in. The first bid gets placed instantly. One goes to the next person. It triggers competition. Now you've got multiple people watching the same card, and the price starts climbing up. I've had a few cards I know that are worth around $40 to $50, start at $1, and still end up around that price. Now, if you're going ahead and start wanting to know how to do that, I'm showing you right here is you're scheduling a live show. Just name it whatever you want. There's more specifics on that if you want to check out my video in the top right corner up here. You're going to go into the shop. You're going to go into create listing. Once you create that listing, you're going to go down to starting bid, and you're going to start that at $1. Now, you can start it, more than you want. You don't have to start at $1, but that is 100% up to you. But I would recommend starting at $1 when you're doing Whatnot shows, even on higher value cards. Unless the card is literally like a $200 or $300 card. In that case, I would possibly sell it singular on eBay or something like that, or maybe on Whatnot as a buy it now price. But for any cards that are like $50 to $70, even $80 and $90 cards, I still sell for starting out at $1, and it works out just fine. Now, a lot of beginners try to protect their cards by starting them high, but they're honestly really killing their momentum, and no bids means no energy, and no energy means no sales at the end of the day, as most people know. And towards the end of my shows, I still run cards the exact same way, but I put my bigger heavy hitter cards at the end of the show. Now, again, being that consistent, and consistency is what builds trust with your buyers, honestly, and they know every card has a chance. They also know they can get deals, and they keep coming back because of that. So, if you're trying to grow on Whatnot, don't be afraid to start at $1 start. That is honestly the best place to start your cards. Like any cards you're selling or anything for that matter, I would definitely start on Whatnot starting at $1. Everybody wants deals. Nobody wants to look at buy it now price. It's more of a mindset than it is the actual premise of it. So like people may think, oh, a $50 card, well, they're not going to buy it for $50, but if you started a bid at $1, it'll probably get up to $50. So that's how, and that's where I would start my cards. That's what price you should start at. Again, start your price at whatever you please, but $1 is kind of the best. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave me some comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.